Welcome to session 3. We are starting week 1. Just a reminder, all assignments are over here. On Monday, we're going to self-assess the professional quotient rubric. You have seen that before. All other materials are updated. The daily slideshows are here. Project tracking sheet is here as normal. All the assignments are in the session 3 folder. The dates are part of the titles. This is what shows up in the gradebook as well. Green things are assignments. Blue things are to help you do the assignments. So as you move through this has been modified a little bit from session 2 to clean things up, make things a little bit more organized, and so on and so forth. But you've already been through this process, so quality will be better this time because you know what to expect. And we are budgeting a little more time along the way to make sure that you have time during class to work on things. Let's take a look at this. This document, let me point this out, is right here. Okay, this right here is this. It is a single document with all the assignments and all the details broken down. So if you were trying to figure out what's going to happen all the way till January 17th, you could look at all the assignments in one document, figure out all the stuff and how it works. So I just put this together so that this makes really good sense for you if you're trying to organize things. Here are the assignments and the resources in the session 3 folder. And of course, the most recent assignments are right up here so that you can track that. Remember, you can also go to your calendar to see all your assignments for all your classes, at least the ones the teachers are putting into Schoology. Now let's take a look at the slideshow. This has been updated for session 3, and the idea is each day you'll come in, you'll see what's going on, and right away we're going to be doing the self-assessment with the professional quotient rubric. Then we're working on development week. Development week is this week. It is the week for us to put our ideas together, work out the stuff, get all the pieces, parts organized, do research on what we need to accomplish. So you'll be filling out this half sheet on both sides. Make sure that this information is accurate. Only focus on one role for gathering evidence for your SMART goal. Okay, so if you're taking on more than one, that's fine, but which one are you focusing on to push your skills? All right, so we'll continue working on that. Working in teams, working on activities to develop the idea for session 3 as a team, while also working on your individual material as a role member. I'll put you on role teams one day this week, and you'll work on things. So some of the resources we have, things that we've seen before. Again, this shouldn't be surprising. Oh, look, that should be session 3. You're going to find these sometimes. I will update these each day. So going back over here, again, we're working on getting all of our material done. Essentially, we're establishing our SMART goals, doing our research, all that stuff during week 1. Okay, yeah. And then we start pre-production, which is essentially laying down all the material we need to build our projects starting next week. But this week, again, is development week, and that is that. Okay, the project tracking sheet looks like it did before, so we'll have limitations set. We'll talk about that this week. You'll be working on your SMART goal. Again, you can see the due dates are here. And all this information we'll be filling in. This is for the film class, but you know the process for the other classes as well. It's all ready to go. All the dates are accurate. So again, this is something you know. It helps us, check our progress and so on and so forth. So let's go back over here. And as a reminder, there are other resources further down the page. Again, this is film class. Don't forget to look at the resources down here for each class. I have a number of videos, tutorials, other things for the various things we do in production. So yeah, that's that. It's going to be a great week. I'm super excited to see what teams develop. And yeah, here we go.